From St. Louis, Missouri, weight 245 miles. Here's the Viper, Ortiz!
And the Extreme Rules match is underway. Anything and everything will be legal in this one.
Randy Orton is taking advantage of every opportunity here, and he knows he has the upper hand. You can feel it. That was a heavy shot. Whoa. Uh-oh. Big move coming.
And here we go. Seth Rollins seizes him.
That's it. He's done.
Oh my, how in the world did he kick out of that?
Look at that, Cole. Whoa.
That's got to be it. Randy Orton, how about that finishing move?
Hey, he can't do this.
Oh, yes he can. This is no disqualifications.
And that's a stiff kick.
Oh, did you hear that? Steel and flesh collided.
Oh, man. Repeated chair shots. What an impact from that kick.
What a move.
You know, Cole, we could go on and on listing all. Watch out, Cole. They're right here in front of us. This could get nasty. Let me remind everybody, there are no countouts. These competitors can stay out here as long as they like.
And now laid out on the table. Who's going to take a chance here?
Oh, that's it. He's out. Hey, one more time, just in case you missed it. Uh-oh, look where he's going again.
And he's heading back inside the ring. RKO, the Viper strikes. And he's heading back in.
These no DQ matches are so dangerous.
We're in the midst of a WWE. No